the background right now, you know we done made it back to Durham town. Yeah, I know, the same spot that just broke my shoulder, right? But we coming back with vengeance this time, y'all. I ain't gonna let no track, no spot beat me. I'm thinking of RSF Red and them boys, man. They about to pull up from South Carolina. So, man, we got a little company. My boy Shamar on the way on that 1-2 Fever, too. So, y'all tap in, man. Today, we ain't breaking nada. You smell me? We back. We going hard. Durham town behind me. YZ on the back of the big Rango. Y'all stay tuned in, man. It's finna go up. Coming back 3 times better today.
I saw somebody CR 125, $800. Dude, like, for real? I'm like, look at it. I got the rollers. This is a brand new joint right here. That's brand new right here. You just gotta push it. I got the piece.
Nope. Say they made the swap. Swap the 125. See how rich.
About that chicken.
It's all good. Say, so we got excited over here talking about bite. My boy said he done burnt the chicken, y'all.
I done burnt everything else good, yo.
Hey.
We
still gonna smash it.
Hey, we gonna pull that.
Come on now. I don't know who they think they playing with, huh?
What?
Listen. We got no cameras on camera, my boy. Watch it out in B. Good Durham town ride. We got the pack out. Yes, sir. 125. Out of here. Yep. Yes, sir. What's going on, bro?
No big scrap mouth shit.
You know what's going on, man. Them boys outside. So we gonna keep on. We ain't gonna talk no longer. We finna hop on him up. We back outside. Big Durham town link up, man. Kick it with the homies from the Carolinas. Show y'all boy what we got going today. Y'all see what's going on? RSF Watch Red. His whole fam done pulled up. Shout out to my boy who helped me when I broke my shoulder. That motherfucker Freddy. This shit dusty as hell today. That side there's some bullshit, boy. They 250, motherfucker. Oh yeah, that bit hit. That bit hit. Yeah, I'm gonna get his ass. Why did? Boy, this motherfucker hit ass. That nigga got that. B250.
Got 10 hours on that motherfucker.
Boy, that bitch hit. Oh yeah, that bitch sensitive.
Smoke him up. Go smoke him up, bro.
Yeah.
Go smoke that 4-wheel up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, you did that.
That was good.
You said that 250. That's a goddamn 450, bro.
What that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, he talking about come on back.
Oh, hey, bro. Straight to that.
That's it, slippery as hell out that goddamn gate. Yeah.
Back tires, they slide like a motherfucker.
All over the place, bro. That shit running though. Yeah, that 250. Yeah. That motherfucker coming out that bitch crazy. Oh.
I'm scared it is, man.
That bitch, boy.
That
That bitch hitting, boy. You got you one. You coming out like this on his ass.
Come on, let's line it up. Bro,
Yeah.
he got launch control, man.
So you see though when I look, I creep up on his ass on that left
Oh, yeah,
side.
hell yeah.
I almost got his ass. I just need a, if I catch a smooth throw out that goddamn,
Don't do it. No.
I'll get his ass. It did that takeoff.
Nah, yo, you out. Yo, you got it.
He know it too. He's like, oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, that bitch here.
Yeah, I traded that 150 I had.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we done took us a little pit break, bro. It is hot today, bro. Y'all get ready for this summer, cause bro, I'm telling you, bro, you better keep you some of these and some of them waters, cause listen, your ass gonna pass out. And we finna keep the vlog going, man. We finna hop back on these bike, band it on out to the rest of this time out, you know what I'm saying?
Woo, this shit ugly as hell over here. We gotta take it back.
He hit me with that whole shot. He got a whole shot mechanism on there.
Who that is?
Huh? That dude on that 250? I think that's like a 2024 or something.
C250 motherfucker. Hey y'all see what's going on, man? They got them boys out here. Hey, they done pulled up and showed out. Y'all see my boy Merch, man. Look, I'm gonna drop all the info. Yeah, check me out, man. I'm loving it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna tag him right there. Y'all go get his merch. Drop a little link in there. Had them pulled
You
up.
already know, man. Carolina shit, we out here.
Yes, sir, ski.
We're all the way out here where we at.
Yes, man.
We leave the city.
Yeah.
I leave the city with 2 bikes. I come back with 1 in the 4-wheeler. Yeah?
Listen, hey, what he did, I told y'all he about to flip that bitch.
Hey, yo, my boy came out here, man. We all met up out here, y'all, and the
You
vibe
did.
was good.
Straight
Yeah,
up.
that vibe was good, man.
For sure.
Next time, we coming bigger.
For
Just
sure.
let you know that, yo. Next time we come bigger, we
Sure.
want everybody to come out here.
You smell
I'm
me?
saying, but yo, y'all make sure y'all tune in to my boy. Like, comment, subscribe, man.
Great,
Hit
Jack.
that post notification, bro.
You
Hit
did.
the comments too, man. You
Come on
know what
now.
I'm saying? Talk your smack, yo. Hit them comments.
You did. You hear my boy, he said the same shit, man.
Talk back, man. Get in the comments, like, comment, subscribe. You already know the vibe.
Come on, man.
RSFY's red. My boy 125, baby, man. We out here.
Yes, sir, man. Love y'all, man. Appreciate it, man. 10K. We're on the road to 10K sub, man. Let's do it.
Damn,
See y'all on the next one.